See, we are happy about the numbers as well as the constituencies. Since this is a mega alliance, it has to be a give and take. It has to be a give and take. And it's not like we should get all the winning seats and stronghold. Like, we have to give it back to the alliance as well. Like, so our alliance is a mega alliance. It's a victory alliance. And on that concept, like, we are working as one unit. Like, unlike the DMK, they are fragmented. They have lots of indifferences among them, and they have lots of issues among them. Like, so on that front, like, we are in a better footing, and we are going to take it forward. On our alliance, from the leadership till the grassroots level, there is a coordination amongst the alliance cadres. Like, so that is lacking in the DMK. On that front, we are very happy, and also the people of Tamil Nadu are not upset, angry with the DMK. They are just waiting for the elections to come. And this election, they will definitely show the DMK the door, because there is no women's safety. Every day, women and children are being abused. 2.5-year-old child, 3-year-old, 4-year-old child, they have been abused and they've been murdered. This is not happening in any state. Our Chief Minister, what he does, he acts in advertisements every day. He doesn't know what is happening. You have murders, abuses, and then you have rampant sale of alcohol, drugs, like heroin, abin. What all is there in America, you did it here in Tamil Nadu. Social justice is completely lost. Corruption in every single department. The deaths of Tamil Nadu. He doesn't know what is administration. So it's a complete misrule of the DMK. People are waiting to elect our alliance, and I'm very confident that we will win more than 200 seats.
But MP Stalin today says, the opposition parties and their partners are doing a false things against us, mainly on the alliance also. But what we are doing on is the right act, and we are going to win.
Mr. Stalin, the Chief Minister, is scared now. They are afraid because our front is a very, very strong, formidable front. So he's afraid of now our alliance, and their alliance is on a shaky wicket. Like, you see the communists, how they were posturing, both the communists. You see how the VCK was posturing, how Mr. Vaiko was posturing. All of them, they're posturing, and so you'll see when it comes later.
He start criticizing you mainly on getting into your personal things with your father.
I can do the same with him and his family. So, you see, let us not get personal. I can talk personally with him or his family members. I also can talk. But I am decent enough not to bring all those subjects. Like.
But if you're making that things into your
So
political aspect.
then I will, see, I can also do that. But since I'm doing a decent politics, I'll refrain from this, unlike the DMK. Like.
Do you think Perambur, the Vijay is going to...
I can't speculate today. Like. I can't speculate, but we will win. Whoever the opposition, we're not bothered. Like, we will win the constituency, whoever comes. Like.
Thank you.